welcome to Living Good. I am Cerise, your host. I am so glad to have you here. Now, we have a lot of information that we're going to get today because a lot of people are thinking they need to come here and pay cash for a place. And they're worried because the prices are going up a lot. And they're worried that they can't afford it. What options do they actually have?
Well, I like to hear what you just say. A lot of people, they want to come here and they're thinking like they have to pay cash. This is one of the misinformations that a lot of people are getting out of the country. And especially in Canada, I know a lot of Canadian people, they want to come here and make investments. I always receive phone calls and asking the same question, what should I do to invest in the Dominican Republic? What should I do to get a house in the Dominican Republic? Right now, the Dominican Republic, especially the north coast of the Dominican Republic, is growing up due to we have a lot of investment here, a lot of properties, and a lot of people from another countries buying. Why they having so much benefit in here? Because our financial areas are open to those people who want to invest here, to do your investment. You don't have to put one lump sum in a property. So you can do it slowly. So you put like an amount, like we can say straight at 30% down, and our bank will pay the rest for you. So you can rent your house, you can rent your property, and with that amount of money that you receive monthly, then you continue paying your property.
Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. Somebody is in Canada or America, and they are not here. They never been here before, and they watch my videos, and they're like, Cerise, I want to buy a property, but they can't come right now because they're working. They can't come because maybe they have to take care of their family.
Yeah.
Can they get approved from Canada? Do they have to come here?
This is a very special point that you just touched. And this is why we're growing up as a country and as realtors in the Dominican Republic. Especially they call you and they want to make an investment. They don't have to be in the country. They don't have to be in front of a bank agent to be approved. They just send you a copy of the passport. We do the qualification in the next 24 hours, and we will call you, Cerise. Please call your customer and tell him to contact the bank, or tell him the bank will contact him in the next 10 or 20 minutes.
Wow.
So they don't have to be in the country.
Okay.
They can be watching TV, they can be on vacations. They just need to say, hey, you know what, Cerise, I want to buy a house. I see your program. I saw this wonderful guy there giving this wonderful information.
Right.
I want to purchase a house in the Dominican Republic, but I don't have the 100% of the money that they are requiring for the house.
Right.
They can say, okay, I have the 30%. How can I get a house? And then we will provide you all the information special to your customers. Okay?
Thank you. Okay. So I have another scenario. Now, let's say they don't have a house in mind. Like they're looking at my videos and they're like, I like that house, I like this house, but I'm going to wait for another house. Can they still get approved for a mortgage? Pre-approved, even though they don't have a house that they have in mind?
Yes. They can do it. And by the time that the bank come with the qualifications, they need to be looking for a house and at least to have an amount in their mind on how much they will need.
Awesome.
Because, for example, a house can cost you $150,000, $200,000. Then you need to come out at least with $60,000 on your hands. And the bank will approve you the other 70%.
Perfect. Okay, this is wonderful because a lot of people, they have that, or they will borrow it, or a few people come together and buy it together.
That's correct.
Okay, so my other question now is, let's say somebody, they get pre-approved, they know how much they are pre-approved for, and then they find a house and they're like, Cerise, I like this house, I want to buy it. Do they have to come here to buy it?
They don't have to come here to buy it.
Okay.
Like the next step is that the bank will contact the owner to ask the owner for the title. Once the owner send the title to the bank, then the only one time that the customer need to come here is only for the signing, giving the bank the attorney or the authorizations to deposit the bank to that owner to receive the key.
I love
it. It is a long process,
right,
but quiet process. So you can be, as I told you, on vacation. You can be at home. You can be watching the TV or watching these wonderful programs. And we do the business with you.
Okay.
It's a clear business because we do the business through the bank.
Okay.
All right. Now the percentage that the bank will that you will pay monthly, I will say the interest monthly is the lowest in the market.
In the market here?
In the Dominican Republic.
What is the interest?
It's 3.75% a yearly.
Wow.
All right, if it's in dollars.
Yeah.
In dollars. If you are asking for a loan in pesos, then will be 8% yearly.
Okay.
So you can ask every single bank, and with our recommendation, you will have through this program 3.75 on interest every year.
Wow, that's pretty good.
That's excellent. Only for the people that call from these programs. Only for those customers.
Guys, make sure you mark that down. 3.75%. That's unheard of. Like, that is pretty amazing. Okay, so now, what is the approval on? Okay, wait, I want to back up because now they're home, kicking their feet up. They're getting their deal. The bank's doing everything. The bank gets the title. Now, when everything is approved and they come here, how long does it take for them to sign? Do they have to come for a week? Does it take a few days?
No, that's immediately. The bank will call you. You make the appointment. If they say for the 25th, then you have to be in the 25th just to sign the papers.
Oh, wow.
Once you sign up the papers, then you receive the house.
Oh, that's amazing. So you guys can just like come for the weekend, come in, fly in, and fly back out.
You come on vacations, we'll take you out. By the time the bank is just approving your money, you receive your house, and then we'll make a party in your house.
A big party.
We make you so same thing as we do here. We can do a mango and sancocho in the same house. Okay. So before the bank approve your house or your loan, we make a sancocho in your house.
That's it.
No problem.
That is it.
No
Sancocho is a really good soup, guys, with 3 different types of meat and vegetables. It is the national soup here, and it is amazing to even just come here and enjoy yourself. This is a great opportunity that you're offering people.
Guys, thank you so much for living good. Please tune in next week when we talk about Airbnbs. If you're looking for a mortgage, please contact me. My information is on the screen. My information is also down below. I want you to come here and feel comfortable. And even before you get here, check out to see how much of a mortgage you can be approved for. The times are changing. Let's change with them. Thank you so much for joining me. Please take a moment to subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to share with other people that may find this video interesting because they either want to invest or they are considering it. Take care, everyone. Huge hugs, loads of love, big blessings. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching Living Good. I'm your host, Cerise, and I welcome you to come on the show as a guest, whether you're visiting short-term or if you're living here as an expat long-term, or if you are Dominican and you just want to tell the world all about your wonderful country and your story. I welcome you on as a guest, and it would be my pleasure to have you. If you have a business and you are here in the Dominican Republic or anywhere around the world, give me a shout so we can help you advertise your product or your service. We love helping people advertise their business because it's something that we do really well. We advertise you on television, Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. For just $200 a month, you get a big bang for your buck. Once again, my name is Cerise, and I appreciate you so much each and every week for watching Living Good. Until next week, huge hugs, loads of love, big blesses. Toma This. It's an online store that provides products that are cool, different, unique for your home, for your heart, and also for your health. This is a wonderful bottle right here with a natural crystal stone. This is great because a lot of people love to have a cool product that is very different from what anyone else has. So if you're into crystals and you're into health and you're into wonderful clean water, then you might as well get your hands on one of these. Give my product code and you will get it for $45. Buy 2 or more and you get a discount. This is Toma This. Send an email today with my reference code.